Well, hello, my spooky friends. Welcome and welcome back to my new channel, Halloween and Spooky Things. Today, I'm going to show you my Halloween stash, my spooky stash. I'll start with these. Got these from Dollar Tree Family Dollar. They actually had them hidden away, but I nabbed them. I'm going to see if I can grab several more to make a thicker tree. Next, I need a whole bunch more of these. They're just little toys. And some clay pieces, which I put into resin. More clay pieces. They're all little ghosts. And some foils. Pumpkins. Little styrofoam pumpkins that I got. I got all this stuff from like Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar. So they're all like $1, $1.25. These I haven't even bothered with yet. Oh. Yeah, don't you just love plastic baggies? These are bezels that came from Sophie and Toffee that I haven't used yet because they're so intricate. I like this one the best though. More clay pieces. These are just foam extras I get from the really cheap throw together foam houses. More clay pieces. I don't remember, did I show you the stickers? Oh. That's a ghost. Pumpkin. And the bat. And more stickers. These work great in resin pieces. More clay pieces. And more clay pieces, the bones. And of course we got the candles. I'm not going to turn it on. I don't want to blind anybody. More clay pieces. And these are supposed to be for nails, but I've had these for a very long time. They glow in the dark, the little bats. More pieces from those really cheapy throw together foam houses. More stickers. These I won from a giveaway. Table scatter. Cats, black cats. The rest of this is table scatter as well. Pumpkins. Skulls. They all came together in a package, and I had to separate them. It was driving me nuts. She gave me like 3 or 4 packages. Spiders. And then, yeah, Static Cling keeps them together. This I got from Craft Katsuni before she decided to take advantage of people, the new owner. I still don't know what to do with these. Ugh. I'll have to go someplace on these. They're all skulls. You can turn them into anything. This is still... I'm going to have to put something on this. The blue ones are still sticky. I can't figure out why. And so is the white. You can turn these into earrings or whatever. This is what I do with extra resin. We got this from Dollar Tree, I think. It's been a while. And this that I got from Dollar Tree. Yeah. And I don't know what to do with these yet, so... Hold on. 1 minute. And this box has nothing but my skeletons in it. Hold on. Let me clear out. And this box is nothing but skeleton stuff. Got this from Dollar General. It used to be a necklace. Same with these. They're cheap enough, you can get like a handful of them. giant skulls. These are glow in the dark. And these are the worst skeletons I've ever seen. They don't even look like they would be human. They look like they would be aliens. These are glow in the dark. You get a set of 10. These I thought were plastic, but they're just foam. They break too easy. Oh yeah, and the purples. They come all connected. And I think that's it for now. Until the next time, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my new channel. I didn't think I'd get this much subscribers at this point. Okay, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. Make sure you get those notifications. Have a great day. Namaste.